Ah! Beethoven, another German genius, to whom sound was incredibly important. In one of his quietest moments, he created the most powerful music known to man. And we, in turn, took this vacuum cleaner and made it the quietest, bagless cylinder cleaner on the market. Listen. Amazing, isn't it? With its revolutionary compressor motor, it uses up to 50% less energy than standard models. With this powerful, effective cleaner, you can use it at any time, anywhere, without disturbing anyone else in the house. Now that is music to anyone's ears.